Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Easy Hamburger Vegetable Soup. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to add about a pound of ground beef in here, guys. And I'm just eyeballing this. And guys, you can hear Dexter's nice and wound up because it's a little earlier than usual that I'm cooking today. I'm going to get my ground beef in here. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to start to brown that up. Alright, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, I'm going to add in one medium onion I diced up. And we're going to saute the onion in there while we finish browning up that ground beef. Alright guys, I know my ground beef is brown and my onions are soft. And I drained up the excess grease because this isn't a lean ground beef. I'm going to dump in 3 15-ounce cans of mixed vegetables, water and all. And I'm going to turn my pressure cooker on. I have it set on the egg setting, which is 6 minutes. That'll do great for this. Now I have about 2 cups of beef broth. I'm going to add that in. And the reason I turn my pressure cooker on, guys, is that way there I can start to heat up while I add in my ingredients. And this here will cut down on your cooking time. Okay, now I have some tomato juice. You could also use like V8 juice if you like. I'm just adding in tomato juice. And this here is a 46-ounce container. I'm going to add at least half of it in. I'll give this a taste, guys, and see if it tastes good that way. And guys, this is really easy. You could use fresh vegetables if you like, but these canned ones are just as good to me. I'm going to add a little more tomato juice in. And you want to taste it, because you want to have a good tomato flavor in that, but you don't want it overwhelming with tomato. You don't want it to taste like hot tomato juice. That's tasting good. I'd probably put about 36 ounces in there, guys. Alright, now I'm going to add a little more salt in here. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon. And we're going to add in celery seed, but we're going to do that when it's done cooking, because if I put the celery seed in now, it'll all pressure cook up to under the top of the lid, and we're not going to get it in there anyways. Now, if you want to add fresh celery in, you can go ahead and dice it up and add it in right now, which my mixed vegetables have some celery in it. Just a little more salt. And this is a personal preference how much you put in. So I'm putting in about 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add a little bit of this accent. Like I said before, guys, for you who don't know what that is, that's MSG. I'm going to put about a teaspoon, and that gives it a really good flavor, guys. It really wakes up your food, like it says on the container. And we're also going to add in some parsley when it's done cooking, because it'll be the same deal as the celery seed. If you add it in now, it's all going to pressure cook to the underside of the lid. That's tasting good right there, guys. I'm going to get my lid on here. Let this come up to pressure. And we're going to allow that to pressure cook for 6 minutes. Then we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, I just released the pressure on this. Now I'm going to add in that parsley and that celery seed. And I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon of each, guys. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. It's really good, guys. You get the beef broth, the tomato juice, vegetables are nice. That was really good and really easy. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot Easy Hamburger Vegetable Soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.